Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. All of you welcome to our Arabic class. Okay, let's start our class. Okay, what we learned our last class? Do you remember what we learned? Yes, our last class we learned shed. We learned shed. What is the symbol of shed? All of you listen here. It is shed. This is shed. Okay. Some words start shed. We studied. Okay. I hope all are studied well. Okay. Today we are going to study about some words start with alif. Start with alif. Do you heard the word, the letter alif? Listen here. This is alif. Okay. Okay. This is alif. First, can you see? What is this? Say, what is this? Read it. Yes, alif. This is alif. Okay. Like 1. Okay, alif like 1. Okay. Okay. All of you take your textbook, page number 21. Okay. Lesson 6, alif. The first word, abun. Abun. All of you listen here. What is this? Can you see? What is this? Yes, abun. Abun. Abun means father. Abun means father. Okay. Abun means father. Listen here. Read the word. Read the word. Alif, ba, abun. Abun. Okay. This is abun. Abun means father. Okay. Abun means father. Okay. Listen here. How can write the word abun? A. This is alif. We put fatha. It's pronounced a. Okay. The next letter, which is the letter? Yes, ba. The letter is ba. We put tanween lam. How can read the word? Abun. 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 Okay. Abun means father. Okay. Abun means father. All of you read. Abun, father. Read with me. Abun, father. Okay. The next word, can you see? Ibnun. Ibnun. Ibnun means son. Okay. I show a picture. Who is this? This is abun. This is ibnun. Ibnun. Ibnun means son. Okay. Father and son. Abun wa ibnun. Okay. Ibnun. Read it. Ibnun. Alif we put kasr, ba we put sukun. Noon, we put tanweenul lam. Read the word ibnun. The word ibnun. Okay. Ibnun means son. Ibnun means son. Okay. How can write the word? Listen here. The next word ibnun. Okay. Ibnun means son. Ibnun. Ibnun. Ibnun means son. Okay. Abun means father. Ibnun means son. Okay. The next word, listen here. Can you see? Who is this? Who is this? Yes, very good. Ummun. Ummun. Okay. Ummun. This is mother. Arabic word of mother is ummun. Ummun. Okay. Listen here. Can you see? Ummun. Ummun. Alif, we put lam, u. Mim, we put shad. Then tanweenul lam. It pronounced mun. We studied in last class, shad. Okay. Do you remember? Yes. Read it. Ummun. Ummun. Ummun means mother. Ummun means mother. Ummun, mother. Okay. See how can write the word ummun. Okay. Alif, we put lam. Then mim, we put shad. Then tanweenul lam. Ummun. Okay. Ummun means mother. Okay. Ummun means mother. Abun means father. Ibnun means son. Ummun means mother. Okay. Next one. Read the word next one. Listen here. This is brothers. Okay. This is brothers. Say in Arabic word of brother. Do you know? What is the Arabic word of brother? Yes. Ahun. Ahun. Okay. Ahun means brother. Ahun means brother. This is ihwanun. Two brothers. Okay. Ahun means brother. Listen here. Ahun. Ahun means brother. Okay. Ahun means brother. All of you read with me. Ahun. Ahun means brother. Okay. How can write the word ahun? Okay. Ahun. Ahun means brother. Ahun means brother. Ahun. Ahun means brother. Okay. Abun means father. Ibnun means son. Ummun means mother. Ahun means brother. Okay. Ahun means brother. Okay. The next one. Can you see? Read the word. Read the word. Yes. Ismun. 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 Ismun means name. Ismun means name. What is your name? What is your name? My name is, say in your name. Okay. Ismi. My name. Ismi. Okay. Ismun means name. Ismun. Alif, Sin, Mim. Alif, Sin, Mim. Ismun. Okay. Write the word ismun. Is. Okay. Alif we put kasar, then sin we put sukun, mim we put tanweenul lam. The word ismun. Ismun means name. Ismun means name. Got it? Abun means father. Ibnun means son. Ummun means mother. Ahun means brother. Ismun means name. Okay. Ismun means name. The next one, all of you listen here. Can you see? What is this? What is this? Yes, this is a pot. This is a pot. How can say in Arabic pot? Do you know how can say in Arabic? Yes, the Arabic word of pot is ina'un. Listen here. Read it. Ina'un. Ina'un means pot. Okay. Ina'un means pot. All of you read it. Ina'un. Okay. Alif we put kasar, then noon we put alif, hams we put tanweenul lam. The word is ina'un. Ina'un means pot. Okay. Ina'un means pot. Ina'un means pot. All of you read with me. Ina'un. Ina'un means pot. Okay. How can write ina'un? Alif we put kasar, noon we put fatha, then alif. Na. We already studied long vowels. Okay. Okay. Then fatha. Ina. Ina'un. Okay. Ina'un means pot. Ina'un means pot. Okay. All of you read with me. Abun, father. Ibnun, son. Ummun, mother. Ahun, brother. Ismun, name. Ina'un, pot. Okay. What is the next word? What is this? What is this? Yes, this is the king of the forest. Say the name. Yes, this is lion. Okay, this is lion. Say in the Arabic word of lion. Do you know? Okay. What is the Arabic word of lion? Yes, asadun. Asadun. Okay. Listen here. Asadun. Asadun means lion. Asadun. Asadun means lion. Asadun. Alif, Sin, Dal. Asadun means lion. Okay. Asadun means lion. Asadun means lion. All of you read with me. Asadun. Asadun means lion. Okay. How can write the word asadun? A sa asadun. Okay. Asadun means lion. Asadun means lion. Asadun. 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 Asadun means lion. Okay. Asadun means lion. The next word, listen here. Can you see the picture? Yes. This is camel. This is camel. Okay. Say an Arabic word of camel. Say an Arabic word of camel. Yes. What is this? Iblun. Read the word. Iblun. Iblun. Iblun means camel. All of you read with me. Iblun. Iblun means camel. Okay. Iblun means camel. Alif, ba, lam. Iblun means camel. Okay. Iblun means camel. Okay. How can write the word? Alif, we put kasar, then ba, we put sukun, then lam, we put tanweenul lam. Iblun means camel. Okay. Iblun means camel. The next word, listen here. See. What is this? Yes, this is brother and sister. This is sister. This is brother. We studied the word brother. Yes, ahun. Ahun means brother. This is sister. Sister in Arabic word ohatun. Ohatun. Ahun wa ohatun. Ohatun means sister. Okay. Listen here. Ohatun. O-h-tun. Ohatun means sister. Ohatun means sister. Okay. Ohatun means sister. Okay. How can write the word? O-h-tun. Okay. Alif we put lam u. Ha we put sukun h. Ta we put tanweenul lam. The word is ohatun. Okay. O-h-tun. Ohatun. O-h-tun. Ohatun means sister. Okay. Ohatun means sister. Ahun means brother. Okay. Yes. The next one. Can you see? Can you see? What is the picture? What is this? Yes. This is grass. This is grass. Say an Arabic word grass. Do you know the Arabic word of grass? Read it. Abun. 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 Abun means grass. Abun means grass. Okay. Abun means grass. All of you read with me. Abun. Abun means grass. Okay. We put shad. The word is stress pronouns abun. Okay. Then alif, fatha, ba, shad, tanweenul lam, abun. Okay. Abun means grass. Abun means grass. Okay. Abun means grass. Ibilun means camel. Ohtun means sister. Abun means grass. Okay. The next word is, all of you listen here. What is this? What is this? Yes, this is injection. This is injection. Okay. Say an Arabic word of injection. See. Can you see? Yes. Ibratun. Ibratun. Ibratun means injection. Ibratun means injection. Okay. All of you read with me. Ibratun. Ibratun. Alif, we put kasar, I, ba, sukun, b, ra, fatha, ra, ta, tanweenul lam, ibratun. All of you read. Ibratun. Ibratun means injection. Okay. Ibratun means injection. Ibratun. Ibratun means injection. Okay. Ibratun means injection. Ibratun. Ibratun. What is the meaning of ibratun? Yes, ibratun means injection. Okay. Listen here. The next one. Can you see the picture? Can you see? Yes. What is the picture? This is a family. This is a family. Okay. This is a family. Who is the member of the family? Abun. The father is Abun. Ummun is mother. Ahun brother. Ohtun sister. This is family. Okay. All of you listen here. Abun father. Ummun mother. Ohtun sister. Ahun brother. This is the family. Okay. Family is usratun. Usratun means family. Okay. Usratun. Usratun means family. Okay. Usratun family. Okay. Family members Abun, Ummun, Ahun, Ehtun. This is family usratun. Okay. Got it? Yes. Listen here. Usratun. How can write? O seal. We put sukun s. O s. Ra. We put fatah ra. Ta. We put tanweenul lam. The word is usratun. Usratun means family. Okay. Usratun. Usratun means family. Okay. Family members are Abun, Ibnun, Ummun, Ahun, Ohatun. Okay. That is family. The Arabic word of family is Usratun. Okay. The next one, all of you take your textbook page number 22. Okay. All of you take your textbook page number 22. There are some pictures. What is the first picture? We studied the picture. What is the first picture? Yes, that is grass. That is grass. The picture of grass. Okay. What is the Arabic word of grass? What is the Arabic word of grass? Yes, the Arabic word of grass is Abun. Okay. Abun. Listen here. All of you write the filling the blanks. The picture below Abun. All of you write. Abun. Okay. Abun means grass. The next one, the next picture is family. What is the Arabic word of family? We studied that. Yes, Usratun. The Arabic word of family is Usratun. Okay, all of you write the word Usratun below the picture. The second one, Usratun. Okay, Usratun means family. Okay. Then third picture. What is the third picture? Yes, third picture is sun. Sun. What is the Arabic word of sun? Yes, very good. Ibnun. Ibnun. All of you write the word below the picture. Ibnun. Okay. Ibnun. Ibnun. The first one grass, Abun. Second one family, Usratun. Third one Ibnun, sun. Okay. What's the next picture? What's the next picture? Yes, sister. The picture is sister. The Arabic word of sister is Ohtun. Yes, Ohtun. Okay. Ohtun. The fourth one, Ohtun. Okay. Ohtun means sister. Ohtun means sister. Okay. The next one, what is the next picture? Yes, pot. That is pot. What is the Arabic word of pot? Do you remember? What is the Arabic word of pot? Yes, Ina'un. Very good. Ina'un. Then, fifth one, Ina'un. Ina'un means pot. Ina'un. Alif un. Ina'un. Okay. Ina'un. Ina'un means pot. All of you write below the picture pot. Ina'un. Okay. The next one, sixth picture is, what is the sixth picture? Yes, lion. Lion. Lion, Arabic word of lion is, what is the Arabic word of lion? Say, anyone, what is the Arabic? Yes, very good. Asadun. Asadun. All of you listen here. Asadun. Asadun. Asadun means lion. Asadun. Asadun means lion. Okay. All of you write below the picture Asadun. Okay. The next one. What is the next one? What is the picture? The next picture. 7th picture. That is camel. That is camel. What is the Arabic word of camel? We studied the word. Do you remember? What is the Arabic word of camel? Yes, Ibilun. Ibilun means camel. Okay. The 7th one, Ibilun. Okay, Ibilun means camel. Ibilun. Ibilun means camel. All of you write Ibilun. Okay, below the picture. The next one, what's the next picture? Can you see the picture? What's the next picture? Yes, that is ear. Ear. Okay, the picture is ear. The Arabic word of ear is udhunun. Udhunun. Okay. Udhunun means ear. Okay. The next word udhunun. Okay. Udhunun. Udhunun means ear. Okay. Ear. Udhunun means ear. All of you listen here. This is the picture of ear. This is udhunun. Okay. Udhunun. Udhunun. This is udhunun. Okay. Okay. The next one, what is the next picture? See the picture? Yes, that is injection. That is injection. Okay. What's the Arabic word of injection? Say anyone the Arabic word of injection. Yes, very good. Ibratun. Ibratun means injection. Okay. Ibratun means injection. Okay. Listen here. The 9th one. Ibratun. Okay. Ibratun means injection. All of you write the word Ibratun. 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 Ibratun means injection. Okay. All of you write Ibratun below the picture injection. Okay. The last picture is, what is the last picture? Yes, the picture mother. Picture mother. The Arabic word of mother is ummun. Ummun. Okay. The Arabic word of mother is, studied the word ummun. Okay. All of you write the word, 10th word, ummun. Ummun means mother. Ummun. Ummun means mother. All of you write the word ummun below the picture of mother. Okay. The first one abun, second one usratun, third one ibnun, the next ohtun, then inaun, then asadun, ibilun, udhunun, ibratun. The last one is ummun. Okay, understood? Yes. All of you listen here. I show a chart. Okay. Read it. The chapter is Alif. Okay. Alif. The first letter Ummun. Okay. The first letter O, Alif, Mun. The first word is Ummun. Ummun means mother. Okay. The next one Abun. Abun. Abun means father. Then Ibnun. Ibnun means son. All of you read with me. Read together. Ummun, Abun, Ibnun. Ummun, Abun, Ibnun. Okay. Abun, Ibnun, Ummun. All of you read with me. Abun, Ibnun, Ummun. Okay. All of you write in your notebook very neatly. Okay. The next one, read the word. All of you read. Ahun. Ahun. Ahun means brother. Ismun. Ismun. Ismun means name. Ismun means name. Inaun. Inaun means pot. Inaun means pot. Asadun. Asadun. Read. Read loudly. Asadun. Asadun means lion. The next one Abun. 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 Abun means grass. Abun means grass. The next one Iblun. Iblun means camel. Iblun means camel. Okay. Then Ohtun. Ohtun. Ohtun means sister. Ibratun. Ibratun. Ibratun means injection. Okay. Then last one Usratun. Usratun. Usratun means family. Okay. Got it? Okay. Once more read. Ummun, Abun, Ibnun, Abun, Ibnun, Ummun. Ahun, Ohtun. Ismun, Ibratun. Ismun, Ibratun. Inaun, Usratun. Inaun, Usratun. Asadun, Abun, Iblun. Okay. Asadun. Asadun. Abun. Abun. Iblun. Iblun. Okay. Got it? Okay. All of you write this word and their meanings. Write in your notebook very neatly. Okay. The heading is Alif. The chapter is Alif. Then all of you write these words and their meanings. Okay. Today enjoy my class. See you on next class. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.